Hi viewers, welcome to Toby's official YouTube channel. It's me Abdullah from Toby's group. From TY100 Pro to TY120 Pro. Now it's time to introduce our new model TY150 Pro. Our new model TY150 Pro is easily used from DC9 to 32 and have many new features like new CSP chip, new mode, power resistor, heatsink and high class quality. TY120 and TY120 Pro are very reasonable prices and we believe for our distributors and final user. We also bring TY150 Pro with a very reasonable prices. Okay guys, without wasting any time, we are going to open this TY150 Pro and check the power and features. So guys, you can visit our Tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba to get this over good and best quality product. So guys, if you gonna visit Tobys outlets, please come to their branches and Dagabad branches. Thanks so much guys for liking our videos and subscribe our channel. We will back very soon with our new product.